Welcome to the review of Target Portable Folding Steam Sauna with 1000 watts and 2 liters steam generator, personal sauna tent for relaxation, fast heating in 6 minutes, and with remote control. You can assemble Target Portable Steam Sauna in just 1 minute. Also, it is easily foldable, store, and saves space. The sauna tent is highly sealed, with sweat-absorbing mats, which can be machine washable, an ultra-comfortable chair, and remote control. The portable folding chair supports up to 270 pounds and provides long-lasting use. The steam pot has a capacity of 2 liters and the sauna is for home, and it can be used for 60 minutes after being filled up with water. 360 degrees omnidirectional steam nozzles filled the whole steam tent in just 6 minutes. In addition, it has 9 gear settings, and the maximum temperature can reach 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Target Steam Tent is made of high-quality thermal insulation fabric to prevent heat loss and is so easy to clean. 304 stainless steel steamer lining is resistant to high temperature and corrosion. Hot air glue at the bottom is leak-proof. Steam Tent adopts high-quality thermal insulation fabric to prevent heat loss, and is easy to clean. The accompanying stool is firm, comfortable, and strong. The health benefits of using home spa sauna tent include improved skin tone, relieves stiffness and joint pain, increased blood circulation, promotes more restful sleep, reduces stress, and increase overall energy level. It releases toxins from the pores, thereby invigorating and purifying your body. You can also add essential oils, vinegar, and herbs to assist you in using it for better results. The steam pot will automatically turn off the power after the water in the boiler has been boiled dry to ensure your safe use. Reconnect the power after power failure to resume use. In addition, when the steam hose is blocked, the safety valve on the steam pot will pop open to further ensure the safe operation of the steam pot.